The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skiller! Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skiller. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, Exodus chapter 20, verse 15. Thou shalt not steal. One of the commandments from the Bible, you see it? And I'm saying this because of a video that I'm about to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. And according to what has been said about this video that is out on social media, is that two persons had been caught in the act of stealing and had been beaten by a group of persons with weapons in their hands and all things. That's what I'm saying to you? Yeah. And this video is out on social media, where in the video someone is trying to talk to these persons that's said to have been caught stealing, and basically trying to tell them to go the right way and do the right thing. But however, this video is out on social media where a lot of different comments have been made about this video. Some persons are saying that they should have called the police. Some persons are saying that don't give them any chance, and other things have been said as well. You see me? Now I'm going to present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and you can tell me what you think also, and I don't have any confirmed information as to where this had happened nor when this had happened. Alright, but however, this video is out on social media and I'm going to show you this video right about now, viewers and subscribers. But before I show you this video, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, observe.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Ya sachi ewifo ana kronfo na mokanu. Ya sachi kronfo. Monshe, ye mo wiye ye san she. Midnight obi ada. Tama ye sorry e bompan mu be wiye. Motowe mo be wiya. Ni ura we bra selom. The owner of the motor this. You people can't steal. My brother come. You two, what they do you?
They steal my TV, my money, my laptop, my phone, everything.
Rashid they sleep. Me too, you people can't break my this thing, my door. But I never talk to anybody. Because we know say one day, we go catch you people. One day, we go catch you. You see say we catch you. Who say we him? Taka ube. Now that's no see who kata we him. Me one say me mbumu. Omo awia omo say omo bet sorry aba. Area ha mo awia yesa mo be wia motowe. Mo de ko. Shetama abo saying almost 12 to 1 where I feel go catch you people. Where you dey jump fence wall to fence wall. You be monkey. Like I no catch you. Like my people go laugh me. You see say now you dey there, you dey beg. Which area you come from? Mamobi. From Mamobi you come Abokobi. This midnight you come somebody in my area. If like right now them kill you where them leave you. Now you give Mamobi people crown. Maybe himself you know they Mamobi. Area be no wo. Biewanu Mamobi infa. Mamobi kaukudi. Mamobi kaukudi tena. She kasani. Kasani baras. Na kasani kina. Kasani kina. Ama tabaras ko de wanungwa. Gaskiya ne kasani. To kasani ka zo har bayan gida na ko sata mutu. You know me where you come at the back of my house. The place where you talk, my area be that too. For Mamobi Nima. Do I touch you on those karika? See the stick where them hold. If like it be me where I catch you people, with me. I leave what I do where I run, where I catch you. See the stick where them hold. See, cutlass, see. Right now, if like I no come inside, them go kill you, leave you where they go talk say Yaku Obimu. Not to know you people can't steal. Why not go get something do? Why not? This boy, they are one of my workers. This guy where they stand here, you find pass him, you see him, he tall. He did part one of my workers. This one too, if the work give me, which work you dey do? It be Mason. This one, it be labourer. Yeah. This one too, you never worked for me before, but I don't know. They do the work. The construction work we will do for this area inside. This guy too, it be this thing. It be labourer. If work no day, they will come knock door. Rasta, give us something. Why you no go get something chop, something do? Why you no go see how your face do? You see, from the street without the drivers where them they stand, where I catch them no, where people, if no be sick of me, I say make them bring them here. Kaga ina kaimai. No, but check I move by. I come in the next come on ganozo. Sana kai kasamu. Come in zona ga ido katash. Temptation abugashi. I beat you. You see, say I no beat you because I the pity give you. I see say something they worry you people. You understand? Sometimes, if you no get self, you for ask. If you be work, you for come. Everybody they hustle. Everybody they hustle. Everybody they hustle. Now, right now, me, I not go feel release you because this area, them like give we the area boys all. Even me are there inside. This guy, he never know. If something lost for the area, they talk say Ibiam. Salom too. Rashid in something. The talk say Ibiam. So right now we go keep you people till morning. Make area people all come. As they see say, it be this guy will take. Oh, it be this. Then they will know say, them they come from far. Where they can't do what? They can't steal. I don't go make somebody touch you. Where they know take me, I don't go make anybody touch you. Nobody go touch you. Me, if I finish, I go handle you take give the owner of the motor. This guy where you go steal the motor. It be my caretaker. At the same times, my caretaker, where you go steal the motor. Where it be me know where I can't catch you. You see God wonders. You see God, you know be lefty. The prayers we they wake up where we do midnight. It be where they save us. Like we sleep, like you people take us go. So me what I go plead with you people be say, the sticks where you hold, you know be snake. I dey beg you people. Make we exercise patience. Tomorrow morning, then we go talk Rashid because something like this, them they big men where them they our area inside. Then they go know say at least things where they happen for the area inside. We feel catch one of them or two of them. Then everybody go make steady. You understand? Where do you know secrets of this place? See how your eyes do. And they feel give you self. Throw people stand, they go beat you. Motor riders, they go beat you. If no be sick of me. See this guy self. He make a run. All my body, all my skin, see how all my skin all do. Eh? After man will be torn, catch a man will be macabre, man, I lose guard. So my people, how we go do? No, you good. I dey beg, you good. You good. I go give them the room they here, air condition. That go on the air condition, give them, make them sleep. Ni na yangu, ni ba yambuga ku, ni kagana tabaku, ni ba yambuga ku, ni ba yan tabaku, ni na kama. Salam, you go leave the motorbike for here or how you go do? Huh? Drive your face. Me not be me you for beg the owner of the motor. Me like this, I don't get anything to do with you. And then I'm gonna find. I'm not to know about it. Me magana say so now we go do. Me they are talk now. I want this one here. We don't go leave them. They for break. If they break out, then we go call Rashid them still and before. This down there them still and. If you my phone, if you be police station, then you take them go police station. That's all. Me, I don't get it. For make you people beat them, make them. That be your work. That be your professional. That you be your work with that. Eh? You be your work with that. So me, you know, if you not beg me, beg them. So being that, let me try get motor. My motor where it did the middle there. No, my motor where I parked down for there. You people steal me before, but I never talk. You see, say today God catch you. So it be so. So salam tomorrow morning.
viewers and subscribers, you know what? In my point of view, in a situation like this, you know, I think that they should hand them over to the police. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah. You know, the thing about it is, no, viewers and subscribers, is that this world is running a certain way where it's a kind of bit ups and downs, you know, where some things have been happening in this world. You have to be on the safe side at all times. Is what I'm saying to you? So because I'm looking at it at that angle where I'm saying that you want to be on the safer side, yeah, I think it is best, you know, to report something like this, you know, and turn them over to the police, yeah, and you know, let the police try and get them the counseling that they need, or the, you know, the rehabilitation that they need. Is what I'm saying to you, because sometimes some of these persons, you can't sorry for them. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and you don't want to be the one to get the end of the stick. Alright? But that is just my point of view, viewers and subscribers. You can let me know what you think. Is what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and with some of the things we hear in the video, viewers and subscribers, it seems as if this is not the first time these two persons had done something like this, you know, stealing, you see me? But it would seem as if this time they got caught, you know? And you know, with some of the things when we hear the person in the video that seems to be a Rasta, yeah, some things that that person had said, it seems as if, you know, him feels sorry for them. You know what I mean? Yeah. But viewers and subscribers, you know, in my point of view still, I would report it immediately. Yeah. Call the police same time. We really and truly respect this person, you know, that you're here in the video trying to talk to these persons. That's what I'm saying to you. Yeah, I mean, the accent sounds different, but I can understand, you know, some of the things that the person had said. Is what I'm saying to you. And we really and truly, you know, respect the way this person is trying to talk to these persons that said to have been caught stealing, and, you know, give them a little eye opener and say, look, don't do this, that's not right. We respect that. Yeah, but in my point of view, just to be on the safer side, I would report it. I would, you know, make the police deal with it. Yeah, I saw me see it. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, this is where I leave it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. My only days have to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I go on. Is what I'm saying to you. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.